Hello everyone, welcome to Daqin channel. Today I will introduce how to make your own design skins like this. The mobile phone skin looks so beautiful with a good touch feeling. Many customers like this kind of mobile phone skins. But some users ask whether we can make our own design. Yes, of course. That is a major feature of our mobile phone beauty software. Let's do it and let's ask to see how we make the style skins. First, we use a paper to draw the design we want. Okay, we finished the design, and as you can see, we have different vinyl real materials for choosing. Here are 3M real materials and very good design. And today I need to make a skin for this phone. We choose these three, okay, to make a style skin for this mobile phone. Okay, let's do it. Let's see the design on our computer. First, we open the Daqin software. Click Edit to open a picture. You can prepare a completely white picture in advance. Find the mobile phone template which we need to design and zoom into the appropriate size. Select Edit to draw, move the mouse to a suitable position and click left. Move the mouse to the next marked point and click again. Pay attention to connecting the line we draw with the edge line, and finally, double-click to complete the line. Click Edit again to finish the editing. In the same way, to start editing the follow line, you see, we can edit any line. If the drawing is wrong, you can press backspace to withdraw the previous step. And you can draw an arc. Press and hold Ctrl while click the marked point, and then click the next marked point. Then this line will become an arc. When you want to become straight line again, only you need to hold on Ctrl at the same time again at the next marked point. You can adjust it at will. That's it. After finish the design, click on the small triangle behind it and select Save As. You can give your design a name. We will call it 3344. Click Add again to exit Edit and to come to our cutting interface. Refresh the line from the 3344 we made. Select the design drawing. Press Ctrl and F to rotate. Drag the hand to move it to a suitable position, and then you can print it. In addition, press Shift and click. You can cancel the parts we don't need and keep the places we need, just like this. If you need to cut multiple copies, just right-click Copy and then right-click Paste to complete the copy. Click Preview. See? Now we cut those three materials one by one. Get 3 pieces of cut material. Look. Now I'm going to stick my phone very seriously. It's finally finished. Look, it's really beautiful. In fact, as long as you are creative enough, you can use different graphic designs and materials to make a variety of beautiful and color mobile phone skins. Thanks for watching this video. If you are very interested in our products or have any questions, please contact our official website and email. See you next time. Bye.